This is a unboxing of a book. I think this is the book that I bought for the grafting. And now I'm going to open it. Okay, now I have opened it and trying to open the book. Okay, this is the book. This is a manual of plant grafting, practical techniques for ornamentals, vegetables, and fruits. So this is a modern book because it was published in 2014, I think. And grafting vegetables is something new. And the book is by Peter T. MacDonald. It is published by Timber Press Books. And this is the ISBN of it. In the England is £25, and in the United States is £39, $95, £40 almost, $40. And this is the side of it. And I will have a video reviewing this book. It's pictorial and this is in color.